Today, I'll show you how to perform a rainbow flick on FC25. So this one is simple enough. Just use the right analog stick. So for instance, and flick it either left or right, that way, or depending on the direction the player is facing, or up and down. So let me show you how to do it. So either left or right quickly, or up and down quickly. So let me do that again. So if he's facing this direction, right and left quickly. Okay, not that. Quickly, right and left. Flick the analog right and left. And that performs a rainbow flick. So if he's facing upwards, you can flick up and down quickly, and there goes the rainbow flick. Let me try that again. There we go. So it's pretty simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.